Welcome back to Meistergram. I'm Hector and I'm here to show you how to assemble a stand for a Gem XL-1500. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel, hit like down there, there's a little notification thing over there. Go ahead and hit all of that stuff and follow us for more videos and more tutorials. Now the stand normally comes disassembled in your machine box. We're going to have all the parts here today to show you how to assemble it before installing your machine. Once you have located all the parts that pertain to your stand, unpack them in order to begin assembly. We include a diagram, capstation bracket, 4 lockable casters, 4 leveling brackets, 2-inch bolts, nuts, and 1/4-inch bolts. There are 2 main columns, 4 cross pieces, 2 trays, and 2 faceplates that make up the stand. Begin by unpackaging the 2 main columns. Locate the screw for the leveling bracket and insert until you reach the furthest point. Repeat the process for all 4 corners of the main columns. Next, we'll take our casters and using 1/4-inch bolts, we will fasten the casters to the bottom of the main columns. We'll begin by finger tightening the bolts, and we will follow this by torquing them down using a 5mm hex wrench. Repeat the process for all 4 corners of the 2 main columns. Once you have completed installing the casters and the leveling brackets, take the 2 main columns and position them upside down, making sure that the machine brackets are facing inward to each other. Align the 2 main columns approximately 24 inches apart from each other. When attaching the main columns using the cross pieces, please note the following. There are 2 sets of cross pieces that are different from one another. One set will look as the image shown. This is for the lower part of the stand, closest to the casters. The other set will look like this. This is for the top side of the stand. Be aware that when assembling the stand as shown in this video, the stand is actually being assembled upside down. Using the 2-inch hex bolts along with the hex nuts, go ahead and attach the cross pieces to the main columns. Once the 2 main columns have been attached to each other using the 4 cross pieces, flip the stand to its upright position. Next, we will locate the trays and begin with inserting the lower tray into the middle of the lower part of the stand. Using our 2-inch hex bolts along with hex nuts, we will finger tighten all 4 corners of the shelf, and then we'll follow this by torquing them down with a 4mm hex wrench. Repeat the process for the top shelf. Now it's time to attach our faceplates. We will locate the 4 screw holes on the front side of the stand, and we will place our faceplate and attach it using 4 of the 1/4-inch hex bolts included. Follow this by torquing them down with a 5mm hex wrench. Repeat the process for the back of the stand. You may now locate the 2 screw holes for the cap station bracket. Loosen and remove the hex screws attached to the holes. Place the bracket in front of the holes and attach to the stand by using the same hex bolts that you removed previously. You may torque the 2 screws down using a 4mm hex wrench. Your stand is now complete. Before placing the machine on the stand, use the 4 rubber pads included. There are 4 bolts, flat washers, and lock washers that are included to fasten your machine to the stand. Thanks for watching our video on how to build a stand. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and go ahead and leave any comments if you have any questions about this or any other video ideas. In our next video, we're going to show you how to unpack the machine, set it on the stand, and get it bolted and leveled correctly. Until next time.